What's up, y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I went from this rocking my newly cut natural hair to this popping full clip-in style. I'm gonna go in with freshly washed hair. If you haven't already seen my other YouTube video about me cutting my natural hair, I'm gonna put that down in my description box below. This is the only product that I have in my hair right now, and when I tell y'all, I'm absolutely in love with this leave-in conditioner. So yeah, I definitely want to make sure that y'all try this. The clip-ins that I'm going to be using is going to be from Amazing Beauty Hair. Love their Kinky curly clip-ins. They were one of the first clip-ins that I've ever tried, dated years back. And they are 100% human hair. I love the fact that they give you a comb, a clip to pull your hair back, as well as some extra clip-in pieces. If you were to break the ones that were on your extensions, you can go ahead and replace those, as well as a manual for you to know how to care for the hair. Now, I am going to go in with 2 packs of clip-ins. I did use both packs to complete this look. I have a 18-inch set of clip-ins and I have a 20-inch. I know somebody's going to come back and ask me again, so I am just going to reiterate. I use 2 packs. One is going to be an 18-inch and the other is going to be a 20. This is the hair straight out of the pack, but of course I went ahead and just put some water on them, and then I put that leave-in conditioner and the clip-ins that you saw in the beginning of this video. So I'm not gonna ramble too much. I just wanna show you the install on how I put these clip-ins in, and then towards the end of the video, I'm gonna come back and give you a little spiel on my review of this hair. Now, you are gonna see that I did insert these clip-ins from the front to the back. I did it that way so that it can add a little bit more volume. So if you wanna try that method, you definitely can. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, play a little bit of music, and I'll catch you in a few minutes. This right here is a trick that I like to use when I'm using gel and another leave-in conditioner. This is going to determine if the two products are compatible with each other. You want to make sure that they evenly blend in with each other, because if they don't, it's going to clump up, and then that's the way it's going to show up on your actual hair. So that's pretty much what like creates the actual flakes and stuff that you may get from gel buildup, product buildup in your hair. So yeah, that's just a trick. See, this is the finished look. Absolutely in love with these clip-ins from Amazing Beauty Hair. This is not my first time working with this company. If you're a subscriber and you've been rocking with me for a long time, I believe I posted a video with Amazing Beauty Hair maybe like 2 or 3 years ago. But I'm in love. As you can see, I love the way the Afro Kinky Curly blends in with my hair. Now, I know a lot of y'all gonna come for me because I don't really know what hair type I am. However, I know that I'm type 4. I don't know if it's A, B, or C, but I know that I'm type 4. So with that being said, I definitely agree that these clip-ins match perfectly with type 4 natural hair. Now, my natural hair is a little damp still. That's why you might see a little bit of shine from it. But to me, it blends right in with the rest of the hair. Even with the shine at the top, it literally just... look how flawlessly that blends in. And I only left a little bit of leave out. I did use all of the clip-ins that they gave me. So the 18-inch pack as well as the 20-inch pack, I used all of it. And this is the hair coming straight out of the actual box. I did not wash it, but as you saw in the video, I did go ahead and define the curls and the clip-ins, because as you know, you don't really want to put the hair in your head with the curl pattern that you get straight out of the bag. You want to pretty much loosen the curls up, get the curls in formation, and of course add a little bit of product to it. The product that I use on my natural hair as well as the clip-ins is going to be down in the description box, as well as the link for these clip-ins. Y'all get into it. If you wanted to, I can put these clip-ins up into a ponytail. I could also do a half up, half down. I could put a little cute headband piece. You know, there's so many different options and so many ways that you could do this hair. A lot of people always ask me, do the clip-ins pull out your hair? Me personally, no, they don't. A lot of people also ask me, do I sleep in my clip-ins? The answer is yes. But if you were one of those type of people that you do not want to sleep in the clip-ins, for whatever reason, you could definitely take them out. And as you saw, I did a lazy girl method by actually putting my hair back into a ponytail and then clipping the piece on top of my hair pushed back into a ponytail. And when I tell you, it literally only takes not even like 10 minutes. It doesn't take that long at all. So anyways, please excuse my voice. I literally been straining my voice. So I know my voice may sound a little crazy, but yes, I hope y'all are digging these clip-ins just as well as I am. I'm about to go take some pictures and yeah, just enjoy the rest of the slay. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in another video. And probably by the time you see this video, we will be into 2021. So happy new year to everyone. I look forward to all of the content and the bonding and the support that I'm going to receive from you all in this new year. I am wishing you and your family good health, wealth, love, prosperity going into this new year. Yes, all of that, because we need that, especially coming out of 2020. So yes, happy new year, everyone.